Hello everyone, hola a todos. Welcome back to my channel. I am Manya and in today's session we're going to learn some very useful Spanish phrases that you can use in your everyday life. Let's start. Vale, vamos a empezar con saludos. Let's start with some greetings. Hola. Hello. Hola. It's not hola, it's hola because H is silent in Spanish. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. After midday, you can use this phrase. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good night or good evening. Some people say it in good night, some people say it in good evening, but it can be used for both. Either good evening or good night. Let's move forward towards the next section, which is asking and responding. ¿Cómo estás? Esta frase significa how are you? This phrase means how are you? Now, if you want to respond to it, estoy bien. I am good. If you are not feeling good, estoy mal. I am bad. Now, even if the situation is neither you're sad nor you're happy, so you can use más o menos, in between, so. Y tú? Now, if somebody is asking you, how are you? And you want to ask them back, what about you? So you can use this phrase, y tú. Okay, people, let's move towards the next section, which is politeness. Por favor, please. Siempre es importante ser cortés. It's very important to be polite always. So for this, we use the phrase por favor, please. Next comes gracias. Very common word in English. Thank you. Cuando alguien hace algo por ti, when somebody does something for you, then you say thank you, which is gracias. Then de nada. Welcome. La respuesta de gracias es de nada. The answer to thank you is always welcome. So we use de nada for welcome. Next comes perdón. Cuando alguien hice un error. When somebody do any mistake. So we use sorry and that's perdón. Next is disculpe. Excuse me. Cuando quieres llamar la atención de alguien, lo siento. When you want to take the attention of someone or when you want to say excuse me to anyone, you use disculpe. Vamos a la siguiente sección. Let's move towards the next section, which is practical phrases. No entiendo. I don't understand. Si no comprendes algo, puedes decir no entiendo. When you don't understand something, you can say to anybody, no entiendo. I don't understand. Next is, ¿puedes repetir por favor? ¿Puedes repetir por favor? Can you repeat once again, please? Cuando quieres escuchar otra vez. When you want to hear something again, then you can use ¿puedes repetir por favor? Next is, ¿dónde está el baño? Where is the washroom? Okay, here is the good example of the alphabet we learned, which was NA with Spanish accent. So this is baño, not bano. Baño. Where is the washroom? And this is the verb estar, which is used to locate, which is used for locations mainly. So when we will come to the topic of conjugations and verbs, then we'll discuss this for sure. Next comes un momento por favor. One moment please. Si necesitas tiempo, puedes decir un momento por favor. Okay, Let's see one example here. Here's a conversation between two people. Hay dos personas, A and B. A y B. A dice, A says, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hi, how are you? B says, Estoy bien. Gracias. ¿Y tú? I am good. Thank you. What about you? A says, más o menos. Neither good nor bad. ¿Puedes decir dónde está el baño, por favor? Can you tell where is the washroom, please? B says, está ahí. Ahí means there. Está ahí, it's there. De nada. You're welcome. A says, vale. Okay. Hasta luego. See you later. Hasta luego. B says, sí, sí. Yes, yes. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Not hasta, because I told you that H is silent in Spanish. So, hasta pronto, not hasta pronto. Right? So, hope this conversation and example helps you. You can take a screenshot if you want. Okay, aquí tengo deberes para ti. I have some homework here for you. You have to translate these sentences and write it in the comments. Do it properly. This will increase your practice and help you learn very fast. Okay, so today we learned greetings, politeness, how to ask, how to respond, right? So keep practicing, do this homework, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.